Is that fair? Okay, wait. Okay,
Okay.
so Mr.
Alright.
Wrecked Paul, I'm taking a coughing, and Goofy is taking Muzan, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So, so go ahead and
Like,
give your premise. Go ahead and give your premise.
right. So I believe a coughing baby should be like below average human level, and we know like Muzan vastly surpassed that. So it's like,
Okay. And then my premise is I think the coughing baby outscales Muzan, and he would win.
all right.
Uh, so you can go first.
Right. So I'm gonna start with speed
Okay, wait,
scaling.
what tiering system do you want to use, by the way?
Wait, what?
What tiering system would you like to use?
Um, we
I'd say
can
versus
use,
battle. Fine with that.
yeah, we can use VSBW.
Okay, let's use VSBW then. All right, so go ahead and go first.
As for speed scaling, hold on. Let's get like to essentially chain scale, so I know that all the characters I'm about to mention are weaker than Muzan. Therefore, he should upscale from there. Right.
Yeah.
So obviously, let me pull up the picture. We know that all of the Hashira, like with no fighting a Muzan with no debuffs, they all even together would scale under him because they knew they would have to in Muzan in order to even combat with him.
Okay.
And hold on, I'm I'm going to start with speed scaling because it's like the best for it. But let's see. So as you can see right here, where is that scan? I need that right now. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I have it. Wait. Okay. So as I can show here, Gyoku Gyoku deliberately says that he has complete freedom of movement, which could imply and if you want to get infinite speed,
Okay, can you prove that?
and then directly after that,
Can you go
and
ahead
having
and
complete
can you go ahead and set the scan?
for him having complete freedom of movement, or for that scaling to light speed.
For yeah, for both.
I mean, he does directly state it in the first scan.
Okay. Okay, so do you agree that fiction is inherently 2D?
Isn't inherently what?
So how high do you think fiction scales in dimensionality?
Um, like as a whole.
Yeah.